channel. Today we're gonna play MM2.
Yeah, MMB. It's MMB.
Dun ka. Joke lang.
Alright, ito ako. Yung kanina. From that one video.
Let's go play MMB. Just go try it.
Huwag ka mag-try ka.
Okay, let's go.
Sabihin mo, shout out to my friend.
Shout out to my friend.
Say hi. Hi, bro. Hi, guys.
Okay, my turn. Welcome back. Like and subscribe. Here we are. By the way, guys, I am Darby Mento kasi what is my favorite and please give me 5 subscribers.
And I just made my own.
Follow my friend in TikTok. Here we go.
His name is
Let's go watch.
No way,
Bro didn't see this girl. Bro sure didn't see him.
What you mean?
Bro, he's still there.
Click Z.
What is this?
We got a party like it's 30-12. I'm gonna show up all the
Okay, let's go. There's only 10 players in this game. 9 players now.
No, 10 players, bro. There's 10. I mean 9 players.
Okay, let's go. Let's go do this. By the way, this will be 10 minutes for one video.
So today
Please enjoy.
I'm gonna play with my friend. Alexis Sorgo.
I'm going to friend Nathan Foley. He's my friend.
Yeah.
Okay.
Where's the frog?
What is a big frog?
I don't know.
They were innocent.
I'm innocent again.
You mean again? We just say this. What did you mean again?
I'm innocent.
Why are you saying it wrong? Also, you're very innocent. Thank you for opening the book.
Sorry, pinupulo ka.
Yo, someone just scared.
Naka-video call ka. Naka-video call ka.
Today, nag-video call kami. Hello, bro.
Oh, hello, bro.
You know who's Merg?
I don't know, bro.
I knew it. I knew it.
Who ate it, bro?
That is electric.
Oh, okay. Yee! Ethan is following me. Why is he following me? Ethan, why you show my spot?
You do.
Yeah, you showed my spot.
You can follow me.
Okay, let's see. Okay.
I will just be quiet. You might die.
Ethan.
Bro, they didn't see me.
Oh, Ethan, get the gun. It's in that drawer. Submit together. He's go. He's about to go there again. Oh, he's camping.
He's camping, guys.
Never mind, Ethan, get out. Yeah.
Why they always camping?
Ethan, get the gun. Fast, get the gun.
Let's go, guys! GG, bro! GG, bro!
Bro, GG.
GG! GG, bro.
Hindi ah.
Sarado mo pinto.
I'm just helping Ethan.
Ayan. Okay, let's play the game. Oh. Okay. Can the thing start? Why is it so slow? There's an admin. There's no admin. Oh, my friend is mad. Okay. He can hear me. But I'm staying away from him. He's in the frog. He's using haste. Is bro using haste? I think bro using haste. Did bro didn't see me? Bro didn't even see me. Oh! Yes! My precious! To just a girl. Guys, I've been practicing the bomb jump. I've been practicing it. So I cannot even do it. I cannot even see. I can do walk in military base. I have this military base. Just do it. Please, military base. Let's go do it. It is not today we're innocent. Let me give you tips in innocent.
Let me give you tips.
First,
In
go over to your spawn. Second, stay with the sherry.
How do you know I'm Sherry?
I don't know, it's just a guess. Third, stay away from people. No, it's that frog. It's the frog, mate. Friend. Friend is the frog.
Bye-bye, frog.
There we go.
Sorry,
Then
so sorry, frog.
do it if you want to win. Invite your friends too.
Hi guys, I'm Ethan. I'm in Ethan videos. Minyosa.
Oh, I will mention my brother in 10 subscribers, so hit that subscribe button.
I'll also subscribe to you.
And follow Nathan Pogi.
Say my name.
Today we're innocent again.
What?
I gave you the tips, so
Back to back. Dude. Guys, back to back. I'm red, nerd.
what? Back to back again? Bro, so yucky. Oh, I bet you cannot hear me.
Yeah, I feel that back as well.
I bet you cannot hear me. Here, this is story.
Bye-bye, guys.
Oh!
Wait. Hey, stop it.
Oh! The girl won.
Oh no, he's good. But why don't you run? Since I did job.
Beast, 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 beast.
What are you saying?
I'm just singing, Mr. Beast. His character have five. He's almost to 500 million subscribers. Bro, he's halfway into a billions. Ah, but he's rich.
How do you know?
Cause he have so many money. Sheriff again.
Back to back, bro.
Bro, we got back to back.
Maybe I'm just so lucky.
Can I have it, bro?
Okay, come here, come here.
Alright, yes.
Never mind.
How's the white girl?
Ah, bro, din siya. Ang dugo naman kasi. Dude.
Nah, bro, I rather see it.
Dude, I'm gonna rage quit. I swear this game is rage baiting me.
I rather see it with my own eyes that you died.
How did I not die? How did that girl
You should
die?
shoot it. What do you mean running sa spawn jumper?
Yeah, it was probably something. Oh.
Ooh, shut up.
Um,
I'm making this video.
oh yeah, okay, sorry guys.
You're so mean.
I'm not mean. I'm just
Where did I see your body?
I'm just getting rage baited.
What do you mean rage baited? Brushing the frog. Don't go to the frog! Bruh. I'm giving something in MM2. Is
I'm gonna give out free
is
items, something.
yeah. Is classic. It's a classic. It's not good, but
I'll
it's
give
a
give you guys like Black Luger. I'll give you
It's a got
I'll
right
give you
now.
guys
And I just got and I got what is it again? Christmas the candy thingy. Yeah, candy. Yeah, the snow, the soap. Like the snow pen.
innocent. Finally, I'm innocent for the first time.
Finally, he's innocent. Peter got so many. What did I get?
Merchant. Like what?
Wait, let me just find an hiding spot right now.
That's my last round.
Bro, he's camping the gun!
What? He's camping again?
Yeah, he's in the stairs. He's in the stairs.
Okay, if he's camping again.
Someone got it. Bro's in the bench. Run! Sheriff! Sheriff! Come on, Sheriff! How did I get right there? And that I used the haze. It didn't work for me.
It is working. Oh,
Is it the train?
no. Bye bye, guys.
Hey, bro, won! By the way, guys, hit that like button and subscribe button. Please, I want to go to 10 subscribers and 100 subscribers and 1,000 subscribers. Like and subscribe. Ding. Start! Game start! There we go. I always get innocent. What's happening?
Yo, I'm still in the game.
My friend is sitting.
Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama.
We don't. Okay, let's go do this
I bet that frog is the nerd.
thing.
Never mind.
That's not wrong, I
Dude,
think.
this girl with purple hair. I know it's some. Never mind, he has the gun. He has the gun. It's him again, and he's stomping.
Oh, he's him again, bro. Someone got it and he's camping. What the? How?
Bro didn't even see me! Girl, get up.
Yeah?
I died. Yo! Ethan, I killed him. Sabihin mo sa Bruce.
Okay, my friend killed him. What's happening? There we go. What the heck?
Yo, why do you still have this? Yo, why do you still have this gun?
I don't know. Is that a bug?
No, it's not a bug. It's a sound, bro. It's not a bug.
That's weird,
It's not
bro.
an insect.
Come on.
It's not an insect.
Magbabago na tayo video. Innocent again? Why do I always get innocent? Why am my friend murder sheriff, murder sheriff, murder sheriff?
Dude, no. I literally get murdered. I literally get innocent.
You mean you get
I only got that because I was videoing. I was in a video. I don't know. I don't know what. I just Dude,
don't go outside.
okay. Yeah, now just go.
I said don't go!
I just go inside.
Did I just struck myself?
So yeah, who's married?
The pink one. I forgot.
The what?
I forgot.
For that, oh, it's a spam jumper. And also, I bet it's gonna spam jump. I bet it's gonna spam.
Not even here.
Okay, let's hit the gun.
Bro, is Bro here? I think Bro is not here.
Ethan!
Bro thinks the door on himself.
So, it's definitely
Who had the gun?
is it camping?
Oh, I know
Oh yeah, it's camping.
someone
It's
here had the gun.
camping.
Then where's the gun? I heard some.
Yes!
Okay, my friend got caught by his mom. Mo don't know where I'm. Bye, bro. Bro. Yeah. Okay.
Asan yung gun?
I know where's the gun at. It's right over there. But he's camping.
Oh no! What? How did he kill me actually?
Bro, papasok ba?
No. Yes. Go to the red. Go to the red. At the red, there's the gun.
I have the gun, bro. What do you mean there's the
Dude, you
gun?
didn't.
Oh, Python! Bro, put some jumper. GG! That's the end, guys.
No.
It's the end.
That's the end, guys. Bye.
Don't forget. That's the end, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that button. Bye. Where is it? There it is.